it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful, and now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Good morning, traders. Kaylor here with Elite Trading, and I am going to be going live today like we do every day at 9 a.m. for our pre-market prep. And I was messing around with some stuff this morning and didn't get everything perfectly set up. That's why I look like a vampire, so I do apologize for that, but it doesn't matter. We're here. You're here for stock stuff. You want to talk stocks. You want to get in here. You want to start learning. You're coming in here every day, 9 a.m. with us. So if you are, hit that like button. Let me go ahead and share these out here with the groups and make sure that they have access to see this. And we are going to get started today right now. And, I'm excited to give you some news that we have. So I'm going to pull up that newsletter right now. Big stuff happening. We had some earnings plays, and Pinterest was on that list. So what we got here is a daily newsletter from Elite Trading. It is 2/5/2021, and let me just adjust that just a little. Just for my buddy Blake, that would bug him this entire session. So, quote of the day: the 4 most expensive words in the English language are "this time it's different." Sir John Templeton. We have the bulls of the day: AAPL, GM, BAC, GOLD, and F as in Ford. Got some news on them later. Bears, we put pins on the Bears list only because they got their run up, and I think that maybe they were already priced for the momentum that they've been given already was just too much, and I think that's going to get a little pullback. So I'm not really a buyer of pins at this high. I think it's too high. SAVA, crazy run up lately. Take a look at that chart. Wow. ORLA and LABP all on my Bears list here. Daily news: Pinterest beats earnings and gets a nice move in the pre-market session. But will it hold? We don't think so. It's our opinion. Strictly, remember, you're not here to get investment advice. You're strictly here to get opinions and get thoughts that we give out every day, 9 a.m. Pre-market prep with Elite Trading. So if you haven't found us on Elite Trading Facebook, go look for us. If you haven't seen us on YouTube, take a look at our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe, and start learning and getting the training videos that we put out. Really fun stuff, live videos with friends, traders growing together and making this happen. Robinhood lifts the restriction on GameStop and AMC this morning, getting a lift in the pre-market session. Not sure if it's going to hold, but we'll see. Ford is now in the tech field. Wow, $29 billion in autonomous driving and electric vehicle and digital tech to connect with the internet. So they're putting $29 billion in for the next 4 years to 2025 with trying to get into this Tesla GM game and blast it off here with a lot of news lately. So let's see. A couple trading tips, just thoughts and ideas that we have for you. Learn at your own pace and don't force trade. Make sure you have confirmation on a trade. Don't just jump into something because everybody else is in. Make sure you have a reason to get in and your timing is specified and perfect for yourself and for your plan. Watching SNDL, MARA, AMC, GDX, SPCE, and SRAC. Thanks for being a part of the Elite Trading. We always like having you guys come in here, so stay tuned for just a few more seconds here. We're going to flip it over and take a look at some charts, see what the futures market's doing, and keep this thing rocking for you. All right, we have the ES chart here, S&P Minis futures, and this is the line that I gave for support where I thought that they would gain buyers, 38.78. This is just a level that I've put in here, and you know they're going to be looking for these all-time highs, so we're going to say this would be our target for today. So we'll go here, we're going to make this the target. So it's only 4 points. Got to get 4 points out of that, 4 to 5 points if you can get in and get out. That's what we're looking at here as the information that we're giving for free, just trying to help out and show you what we're looking at levels wise. This is on a 3-minute chart, but if you look for a bigger picture here, you go to the 30-minute, and this will show you really what's happening and really where the move could happen. So if they do fail to reach a new high, you could be looking at a lower level down here where there's a little where the previous support was. $72.50, and you can kind of see the picture as it goes. You have a move up here, signal there, and then now we're hanging out here in that 38.80. It's got to hold this 38.80. So if it holds here, get a little dip, and then so might see them try to come after this area for a 50% retracement from that last level. So it'd be 50% would be right here. So we're at that right around the 38.78. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take a quick drink here. I was watching the chart, I wasn't even looking at myself here, so sorry about that. Let me get my webcam off. I didn't think that I was on here. So you got a lot of large volume back here. This is where the initial big move happened, and then if you pulled up the tape, I'm sure you would see some nice blocks here where there was some buyers coming in. Same with here, and then you had a sellers come in at the 38.8450. So we, you know, this was today already, so it already did the move where we wanted, right? But now it's whether or not it wants to come back and break through there and go keep on going, or if it takes a little break and kind of, you know, tapers off and hangs out for a little bit in a range until we figure out what it wants to do. I would like to see what gold is doing. Oops. It's doing that. It's not selecting it. Okay. I don't know what is going on here, but they don't want us to look at the gold futures, huh? What I'm using is TradingView. There is a free version. You guys can take a look at it if you want to. If you're new to trading and you want to find somewhere to look at charts like this and get a little more advanced tools, these are areas that some people might be talking to you about. So this is one that I like. Another one that I like to trade on is TOS, which is Thinkorswim. It's got a lot of good tools. So now, like, you know, gold's dropping again, and it had that nice little run up here. That's a nice big play, and then it gave it back, 50% retracement. Probably will hang out here, maybe come back down or come back and hit this area. So it's probably going to trade in a range today. Really not much movement, I would suggest. So we'll see what happens. It is Friday, option expiration day. And, you know, things are a little different in the market when it comes down to that because they have to make sure they keep them in certain ranges, in my opinion. That's what I see happening. So let's see if that plays out today. Appreciate you guys all coming in here and watching with me. You know, this is a great quick little lessons you can get, and if you want it more advanced and you want more time with us, you want to talk one-on-one with me, or if you want to work with any of our other guys in our group or gals in the group, all you have to do is hit a comment in here, you know, tell us what you're wanting to do. If you're wanting to join, we'll drop a link for you. We'll get you guys in. If not, stay tuned for the next one. We'll be here Monday morning. Going to be in Nashville, so we'll be in a different city Monday morning going live. And we'll be doing everything just the same as we always do right here with Pre-Market Prep. This is Kaylor. Stay in the green, my friends. Stay blessed, and we'll talk to you soon.